Hello mabuhay! So you got your new Heng Long RC tank and you wanna know how it works? Panoorin nyo to. Watch this. Okay, so once you've opened up your tank, once binuksan na ninyo, ito yung nasa loob. These are what's inside your Heng Long RC tank. Depending on your model, the places might be interchanged. Okay, so gearbox can be at the front or at the rear depending on your tank. Same goes with the smoke unit, the board, speaker. All right, so let's talk about the components. Gearbox. So this is the upgraded version. So I have a steel gearbox. This is it, these two right here. We have the motors. These can be upgraded. There's a blue and a red one, which is a lot faster. Gearbox, I know they can also be upgraded. Check your manual. I think there are two, if I'm not mistaken. May dalawang option to upgrade your gearbox. Speaker, you can replace this with a better one. It has a specification for the speaker. Just do your own research, or maybe it's already in the manual, but you can definitely upgrade the speaker as well. You can upgrade the components. You just have to know where to put it in the board or its designated port. Okay, so going back, so that's the speaker, and then this is the smoke unit. Depending on your tank model, pwedeng isa lang yung hose niya, o pwedeng nandito rin siya sa side. So yan yung smoke unit. Ito yung bago for 7.0, yung mas malakas na yung nilalabas na usok. And of course the motherboard, as you can see, it's 7.0 right now, 2024. What's common is the 7.0 for Heng Long tanks. Then this is the BB unit. Mine is already cut out since I'll be upgrading or installing a hose for the smoke unit, and right now I already installed the flash barrel light. This wire goes inside here and then goes out the turret, and that's, not sure if you guys can see it, but there's my LED light there, the orange one. So that's the flash light, flash barrel light. If you have an access to the high intensity one, that's better. Alright, so there, so yours most likely is still complete. So this should have like a protruding part here, which is the motor for your BB unit. Mine obviously is not in use or is not functional anymore since I cut it in half and I removed all the components to prepare it for the smoke hose or the smoke unit. And then inside here, on its side, that is the elevation unit. So this thing here, it moves up and down, which controls the turret or barrel movement up and down. Okay, so that's all the parts. Motor, gearbox, speaker, smoke unit, board, turret rotation, barrel elevation, BB unit. Okay, and then on your manuals, make sure to familiarize yourself with the ports of the board. Dun nyo kasi malalaman, that's where you'll know what else you can install or modify on your Heng Long RC10. And also, if something is not working, then you can check, like for example, LED 5, this red and white wire, that is the machine gun. If there's no light coming out here, then I can just check the wiring and also make sure it's plugged in properly. So that's already basic troubleshooting. Alright, so you can check your manual, check online about your board if you have the 7.0 or 7.1. Then just familiarize yourself with the diagram, and that will make your life a lot easier, and it will also help you in terms of troubleshooting any issues. Okay, that is it. Just a quick one. Make sure na nakasubscribe kayo